Hello everyone, this is my review of the solar ground lights. These lights are good to put in your driveway or along a walkway to light up the pathway. I have them sticking to bricks here, but you don't have to charge them anything. They're solar powered, so they charge by themselves and they come on automatically at night. I'll come back out at night so you can see what they look like at night. Okay, now you see how they light up, and they're pretty nice and bright, so you can see them really well. And like I said, they come on automatically when it gets dark, and they light up the area pretty nice. So I highly recommend these lights, and I hope that this review helps.